you're now going to add a call to action section just below our 3 services tabs. So let's go ahead and go back into our backend. And I no longer need the lorem ipsum or the font cheat sheet for now, so I'm going to exit out and now go back into the backend. Alright, and we can go back to pages, and let's just go to all pages. Alright, let's go into our home page. Cool. We are going to come back to this plus button and add another widget. And let's go ahead and find a call to action, or the Mozilla FP call to action. So, or Moesia, sorry. Don't grab this call to action. Make sure it's the Moesia call to action. And we're just going to select that. And that will open up our options. So we could give this a title, but let's go ahead and leave that blank. And from here we can enter our call to action. So I'm going to say, you know, do you need an app developed? Question mark. So that's my call to action. Yes, I do. Hopefully they'll click the button. The link for the button, we would typically link this to a contact page. Well, we haven't yet created a contact page, so for now we're just going to put a £. And the title for the button would be, you know, something like "Contact Us Today." And I'm just going to put "Contact Us Today." Okay, then we have an option to upload an image. We're going to do that, but let's go ahead really quickly and just select Done for now and update our page. I want to see what this looks like without the image. So I'm going to refresh, yes to press. And if we scroll down, we see we have this awesome little do you need an app developed, contact us, and cool little call to action section. It actually looks pretty good white. If you like, you know, that clean, modern, all white look, you know, don't add a background image. I want to show y'all what parallax is and how it works. So if we go back to our page and we hover over our call to action, we have options up here. Let's go ahead and select edit. And I want to upload an image. Well, we don't have an image yet, so if you guys would open up a new tab, Google, and let's just type in, you know, white background. And I'm choosing a white background because if we go back and look at our yes to press, we notice that this gray is fairly, it's like light gray. It's not too dark, but it's not too light, so it's kind of in the middle. So if we were to choose like a dark background, then, you know, it kind of, that do you need an app developed would kind of fade into it. So let's go to white background. I'm just going to select images, and I'm just going to pick a random one here. This one has some like texture, it looks cool. So I'm just going to click this one, view image, and I'm just going to save this to my desktop, and I'm just going to call it white. Now we will only use images that we own or we have permission to use if you're actually going to, you know, use this website for your business. I'm just going to show you guys, you know, how to create this. So I'm just grabbing a random image, and I'll go over where to find the best images and the best resources for finding great stock photos for your website, and that's going to be at Photodune, which is by far my favorite because of the $5 price tag as opposed to, you know, $60 or $70 for an image. So now that I've downloaded that, I'm going to exit out and come back in here, and we can just upload that image straight from our desktop. So I'm going to go select file, and I'm going to find that white right here, and I'm going to wait for that to upload. And once that's done, we can just come down here and select insert to into page. Alright, now you'll see that link, and I'm just going to select done. There we go. Now let's update this page and take a look here, and I'm just going to refresh, Control R, Command R, and there we have this little call to action section. You'll see that the background stays still as the content moves, and we'll be able to see this a lot better when we put stuff below this so we can scroll even past it. But that is essentially what that parallax setting does, is that it keeps the background still so you can see different parts of it as you scroll through. And it's pretty cool. So pretty neat. We have our services and a call to action section. Let's keep trucking on.